Hey, how's it going? So if y'all watched my channel before, y'all know where I'm at. Out here in one of my favorite creeks to fish. It's finally gone down enough where I can actually fish it, because the rain this past month has been insane. So now I finally have a chance to fish it. But you know what I'm doing, small crawls, size 4 hook, and just working my way down the creek, and I'm gonna start over there with them rapids, and hopefully I can get on some fish. There's one, first fish of the day. Fit right there in that current. Decent red eye. Oh, man, this guy swallowed it. So dark. This dude's real pretty. Look at that healthy looking bass, red eye right there. Fit right there in that current. All right, first one of the day. Hopefully a lot more to come. There's one. Got another one in this pool. Get out of there. No, it came off. Oh, there's one. Oh my gosh. Hopefully I get a good hook set on. He's following it the whole way. Oh, I got so lucky. Oh man, he's a pretty one too. Another gorgeous red eye. Look at those markings on them. Hey, stay still, stay still. Those markings are awesome. Beautiful fish. Thanks for biting, bud. There's one. I just saw him come out of that log and eat it. Feels like a pretty decent one. Oh, it's just a strong red eye. That's all it is. Yeah, he's a pretty big red eye. Bigger than the last couple. Got a belly on him. Eating crawfish. If you're not fishing crawls and creeks, you're just not fishing the right stuff, man. Little crawls, little hooks. And gorgeous fish right here. Look at that red eye. Maybe the camera's not pulling up on it, but you can kind of see it. All right, hopefully I get a bunch more of these. Oh, dang, he slipped out. Oh, there he goes. Slipped out of my hand. There's one. I threw it right in his mouth. There's a small little red eye. Man, he a baby. He a baby. I mean, itty bitty thing. Go back in there, dude. No, Allie, no. No, no, no. Allie, come here. Get out of there. Scare off all the fish. Come here. There's one. Oh, a good one. This is why I didn't want you in there, Allie, because we got these in there. Good red eyes. Ooh, doo, 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 doo. Very good red eye. You want to see him? Come here. You want to see him? Doo, doo, doo. Got some pretty markings on him. Beautiful fish. Reason why I come out here. There's one. Came out of that little tree and ate it. This is a small little red eye. Oop. I think this is like my 6th fish of the day. There he is. Oh, I came over and watched him eat it. Just another one. Small little red eye. But that was cool to watch him just fly out of the creek and, or that little rock right here, and eat it. I wonder if y'all can see it. Yeah, I just drag it over that rock and he swam over and ate it. All right, there you go, dude. Thanks for eating. There's one. Oh my God. Is he still on? No. There he goes. Oh, he came up and got it. Man, this little guy's aggressive. He literally swam halfway across the creek to get it. Oh, nope. I just dropped my rod. I'm having a hard time on this bank. Another small little bass. Oh, there he goes. Man, he flew all the way up from up here to get this crawl. He was hungry. There's one right there. Pretty decent size. Ooh, pretty stripes on them. Watch out, Ellie. Watch out. Watch out. Sorry, my dog in the way. Ooh. Oh, I'm gonna have to get the pliers out for this guy. Yeah, he got a scar on him. But all these creek fish got a scar on them. But pretty decent little dude. Thanks for eating, bud. Oh, what is that? Oh, I think I got a gar. I think I got a gar. Oh, crap. I don't know what I'm about to do with this. There's hardly enough bank to stand on. And he's putting up a good fight. No, it's a bass. It's a bass. I thought I saw a gar down there. What the heck? I swear to you, I saw a gar. I wonder if that gar came out and chased his bass when he ate it. Dang. I didn't know they came. Oh, that's what I was surprised. They don't really come up this far in the creek. So there's a gar somewhere around in that log right over there. But pretty decent, a little spotted bass or Alabama bass, however you want to say it. Hey, how's it going? So I'm at the normal spot stopping point for my videos. So I had a pretty good day. They weren't as fired up as normally in past videos, and but still pretty decent day. Caught a decent fish, and I swear there was a gar came out of that log, and they normally don't come up this far in the creek, but probably I was thinking with all this rain, it traveled up this creek pretty far ways, and when I set the hook on that bass, that gar came out following it. So that's why I thought I had a gar on, but that bass was just putting up a pretty good fight. I mean, not a huge gar, but I mean a gar nonetheless. I mean, for a creek you can see the bottom in most of the time. That's pretty pretty wild. But pretty good day, and I caught probably around 8 7 or 8 fish today. So hopefully y'all enjoy this video and watch the next one I post.